Welcome to this next video in our series Vedic Wisdom for Universal Well-Being. Are we mortal beings? There is a lot of propaganda around it. There is a lot of discussion about the afterlife, about heaven and hell. The Vedic wisdom says we are not mortal beings. We are children of immortality. Come up, O lions, and shake off the delusion that you are sheep. Your souls immortal, spirits free, blessed and eternal. You are not matter, you are not bodies. Matter is your servant, not you the servant of matter. Thus spake Swami Vivekananda. Shrunvantu Vishwe Amrutasya Putra. Thus says Shveta Shvataropanishad. We are not the body, we are pure consciousness. Shveta Shvataropanishad addresses the entire mankind as Amrutasya Putra, the children of immortality. We are pure consciousness. There is no beginning for it, neither there is any end. Body is just an instrument that we get to fulfill our desires and experience this material world to finally seek our true nature, which is divine. Some may do it quickly, some may take time, but we are no separate from the universal divine being, by whatever name you may call it. Is the drop separate from the ocean? It may appear so, but it is not. We don't need a body when we free ourselves from the clutches of desires and realize the spark of immortality and bliss within us. The bodily pleasures of some promised heaven will pale in comparison when we discover our true nature, which is beyond all the pleasure and pain. In fact, it is our bodily identification that limits our existence to particular time and space. It is our ego that creates attachment to this bodily identity and all the resultant relationships such as family, community, country, religion. As the ego of me and mine dissolves, this attachment to body ceases too, and then we ready ourselves for being aware of our infinite existence, immortality, our universality. Once we get onto the path of realizing our true dharma, our essence, the whole perspective to life changes. All the cravings and pain end. Natvevaham jatunasam natvam neme janadhipaha na chaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayamatah param. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 12. Bhagavan Krishna says to Arjuna, there was never a time when I did not exist or you did not exist, or these kings on this battlefield did not exist, and there would never be a time that any of us cease to be. You are forgetful about the past bodily experiences, but I know them all. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति navani dehi. Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse 22. The way we change our attire as it becomes old, so does self, which is Atman, change the body. It is the body that changes, not the experiencer, our true self. It always was there and will never perish. We are indeed children of immortality. We are pure consciousness. We are all divine beings. Let us find some time to peep within. Do share, subscribe, create more positive energy, and get rid of the negative baggage that sets fear into us. Let's all discover the divinity within. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.